Can you see it? Do you see it? Have you lost your vision? It happens to everybody. It happened to me just a few weeks ago. Guys, I'm Salandia Hammond, affectionately known as Sue Ham Baby, and I want to welcome you to Intimate Moments with Sue Ham. And in this particular broadcast, what we want to discuss, this audio, is vision, the law of vision. Many of us had dreams when we were younger, right? We had childhood dreams of being an athlete, a singer, of opening up businesses, and maybe our dreams involved people beyond ourselves. Maybe we wanted to open shelters to help the homeless. Maybe we wanted to feed the world, to heal the world with our messages. Nonetheless, we still had dreams. However, growing into adulthood, many of us decided to put those dreams on the shelves and sometimes becoming distracted with the things that go on in our lives: marriages, family, debt, depression, death, loss of loved ones, whatever it is, the distraction, we tend to put our dreams on the shelves and forget about everything that truly mattered to us. And that is our vision of becoming who we were created to become. So guys, I told you a couple of weeks ago, I had a breakthrough because I felt like I was stuck. And in order for me to get unstuck, there were a series of things that I needed to do. I needed to yield, be still, ask for guidance, be open to that guidance, become aware and receive it. And as a result, I was able to get back on track to accomplishing my childhood dreams. But see, here's the thing. Like I said, we get so distracted, we forget. We can't see because it becomes cloudy with the things that are before us that serve as distractors, like going to a job every day. And if you were like me, you were going to a job that you didn't necessarily care two cents about, but yet you went. Your distraction could be a loved one telling you that your dream is never going to happen because it is too big for you to accomplish. Whatever the distraction is, we tend to lose vision. And when we lose vision, we tend to become stuck. So guys, the purpose of this audio today is to ask you, can you see it? Will you stop and let yourself see the dream again, feel the dream again, believe in the dream again, and therefore go out and work to accomplish the dream again? Forget what the 98% say about, your dreams are just not going to happen. So just give up and do like the rest of us, get a job and just make the best of this life. While I want to say there's nothing wrong with having a job and a career, I commend those people who love that. But for people who want more than that, or not necessarily more than that, but something other than that, I say to you, go out there and make it happen. It's your time. I mean, your dream might just be to live in a nice new house, to raise beautiful children that will be service-oriented people that will help to catapult this world to the level we need, where there's peace and love worldwide. That's a big dream, man. Raising kids. I'm a parent. I know your dream may be to be an athlete, a doctor, a teacher, a singer, an artist, an author, whatever it is, a helpmate, a great spouse. Your dream can become true as long as you don't lose sight of the vision. So many of us are walking around with 2020 vision. So many of us are walking around with 2015 vision, but yet we cannot see our dreams because we have stopped looking. We have stopped imagining. Einstein said that imagination is the preview of life's coming attraction. So whatever you can see, believe, feel, and touch in your mind's eye, you can actually bring it into fruition. But it starts with seeing. So I'm asking you today, can you see it? Can you see it? Because in order for it to manifest in its physical format, you must first see it in your mind's eye. Go back to dreaming. Dream bigger than ever. Dream bigger than most people will ever dream this lifetime. And my friends, I say to you, go out and make those dreams come true. So again, can you see it? Will you allow yourself to see the dream? See it, my friend. See it, man. See it. Seeing is believing it, right? Seeing is believing it. See the dream and go out there and make your dreams come true. And guys, if you would love more motivational and inspirational audios, please head over to SueHam.com, SueHam.com, to learn more about the free training, free audios that we have, as well as the Sue Ham School of Success. Until the next intimate moment, I am Salandia Hammond, affectionately known as Sue Ham Baby, and I'm loving you guys to life. Remember to live, love, learn, and laugh. Don't quit. Follow your dreams to success.